Hello friend, in this lecture we will discuss on how to create a table with borders in HTML. So friend, let's start. Now to create an HTML table with borders, we have to set the border attribute with an appropriate numeric value inside the opening table tag. For example, say border equal to 1. Here 1 means 1 pixel. In case we don't want to show the border, then we can simply remove this border attribute, or even we can set this border attribute value as 0. Now let me quickly show you a sample code where we have used this border attribute inside the opening table tag. Now here is our sample code. Now if you can see here, this is the same sample code which we have developed in our previous lecture. Just one additional thing here. We have used the border attribute with value as 1. Thus when this code gets rendered in a browser, we can get the output as shown here. Now if you see here, this table is rendered with the borders in it. Now let me quickly switch into the HTML editor and modify our code to have a table border in it. So this is exactly the same code that we developed in our previous lecture. What we will do here is we will add an attribute called border in the opening table tag and set the value as 1. Let's add the border attribute and set the value as 1. Save it and right click to open in default browser. So when this code gets rendered in a browser, we can see that this table is displayed with borders in it. Now in case if you don't want any border to be displayed for this table, we can simply set the border attribute as 0, or we can even remove that border attribute. Here I will simply set the value as 0. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Let's refresh the browser. We can see that this table is not having any border in it. So this is all about the table with borders in HTML. Thank you for watching.